Hi again, guys. Today we're making cocoa bread as requested by one of my subscribers, Sin City. Sin City requested cocoa bread under the beef patties. So cocoa bread is something we eat in Jamaica. We eat it, put it between two. We put patty between the bread and we eat it. So when you make it, you have to half it. Follow along with me and I'll show you step by step. First, we start off with 2 packs of dry yeast, active dry yeast, and we're gonna put this in about a cup of milk, and then we add a teaspoon of salt, and we're gonna put this away for a little while until put the yeast in here. I give it a stir. Sorry, I'm using not one hand to do everything. Give it a stir, so incorporate the yeast into the milk, and the milk should be warm. So at first I warm the milk in the microwave, and just press one, warm it up, got a little too hot, cool it down, and so that's the process. So I'm gonna make sure all of the yeast gets in there, and I'll come back to you when the yeast has risen. It's gonna come up high up in the it's gonna swell up. When it swells up, we'll come back, because then we're gonna start the process of putting everything together. I'm also adding to the yeast and the milk a 1/4 cup of sugar. Right, because the sugar is needed in the yeast to help it to rise. Somehow it rises much better when you add sugar to it. So I'm gonna leave that, as I said, I'm gonna leave it for a while, and so look at that, and then we'll come back. This is the yeast and the milk, and it has risen. Look, it's on top, almost. Well, it's on top. It's above the measuring cup. So I'm gonna pour this in the flour. So in here I have 3.5 cups of flour, to which I have added some pieces of butter, a little bit, more like a couple of tablespoons, maybe 2 tablespoons or so, and I'm mashing it out so that it comes to like fine breadcrumbs. And when that happens, I'm gonna pour the milk and create the dough. And then we're gonna have to put it aside. The yeast mixture into the dough, into the flour, and you could use a spoon, but it's gonna be loose and wet. So that's what you want. You want it kind of loose and kind of wet. And if it looks like it's not enough liquid for you, this is enough for me. But if it's not enough liquid, you can also add a little water. This is good, and I'm gonna stir this up and create a dough, and I'll come back to you guys and show you the next step. Okay? Follow along. So my dough is ready, and I'm gonna put it to rise. See, it's soft and pliable, very soft. That's what you want it. And I'm gonna put it in a bowl. Put the dough in a bowl right here. I'm gonna leave it to rise, and this will rise for about 45 minutes. And I'm gonna cover it. You gotta cover it with saran wrap. So I'll cover it with saran wrap and come back with the next step. All right. So guys, look at that dough. Guys, look at that dough. See, it's up to the top of the bowl. Remember when I put it in the bowl, it was like way down. Now look at it. It's like almost coming over to the top. So I'm taking off the saran wrap, and I may put a little flour here. I'm gonna put some more. Oops, too much. Put some aside. I'm gonna put some aside. I don't need that much flour. And now we're gonna thump it down a little bit. See? You're gonna thump it down. Now I'm gonna pour it out on this pour it out on the floured surface, so that we're gonna punch it down, and then we're gonna make our cocoa bread. You know, this is bread flour. It's the same way you make bread. That's what we're gonna make cocoa bread with these. With this. So you just press it out, roll it down, pump it down. So guys, I punched the pastry down, you know, flatten it down after it was, you know, punched, swollen up. And now I just shape them, you know, shape them any way you want. They generally shape it oval. But I just put a little coconut oil right on here. And then you fold. You know, those will separate. And then you put a little more coconut oil on top. And here I have some already in this container. See, I'm going to put more in this thing. And it bakes in about 15-20 minutes. Alright? Depending on the... I'm baking them at about 350, 325 to 350. Maybe 350. Okay? And they bake in 15 to 20 minutes. So these are the cocoa bread. You got to fold them. And then when you know, lift this up, that's where you're going to put your patty. Right? So guys, the cocoa bread is finished. They're baked and they look so lovely. Look at them. Huh? Very nice. Nice color and everything. And I didn't even put any egg wash on them. This is just natural color that they got. So, you know, you could try this. And Cynthia, I hope you'll be happy with this recipe. I'll post the recipe below the video. And thanks for watching, guys. Appreciate all your comments and subscription. Thank you. Let me just break this one. I'm gonna just very soft, very soft. Look, soft and nice. Very soft. Look inside. I can just, yeah, really good.